If you don't like getting your hands dirty but still dream of owning skyscrapers, then grab a seat, because this story is for you. Picture this, middle of nowhere Midwest, not a high-rise in sight. That's where my real estate journey began. No suit, no briefcase, just dirt under my nails and deals made over hearty meals. I learned from my grandpa, a man who could turn any plot of land into a gold mine with sheer willpower and maybe a bit of duct tape. By my teens, I'd seen more deals than most, but they were about tractors and grain, not condos and skyscrapers. Fast forward, I joined the military. There, I picked up discipline, strategy, and perseverance. But even amidst drills, that farm boy spirit never left me, always building, always dreaming. Now, at 45, with a multi-million-dollar real estate company behind me, I've realized it's not just about profit margins. It's about family, freedom, and enjoying the journey, potholes and all. So, if you're ready to laugh at mistakes, celebrate victories, and learn a thing or two, grab a coffee or something stronger, and let's dive in. Check out my book, Deals, Ducks, and Duct Tape, The Unconventional Path to Real Estate Mastery. You won't regret it.